The Republic of Chile is a country in South America, bordering the Pacific Ocean in the west and south, Peru in the north and Bolivia and Argentina in the east. It is a member of the Union of South American States and is listed as ABC power in South America together with Argentina and Brazil. Valparaiso Port is on the southeast side of the Atlantic Ocean. It is the largest seaport in Chile and the largest port on the Pacific coast of South America. Founded in 1536, it is a maritime gateway to the capital Santiago, about 100 kilometers away. In 2017, we supplied 130 PCs arch rubber fenders to Valparaiso Port. Arch fenders have become increasingly popular in recent years due to the unique features the fender offers. These fenders are manufactured from a single piece of rubber molding, using a simple yet rugged design. This enables arch fenders to be very strong and hard-wearing. The simple design also reduces the amount of maintenance needed, even after a period of heavy use. We have complete sets of production lines, fender molds, and testing facilities. If you have any requests, welcome to send us your inquiries. We can provide you not only high-quality products but also good solution including good price/shortened delivery time/best pattern terms and so on.